Hey everyone, happy Saturday. So this area is not chicken coop, chicken run. There is actually the fence, the gate for them. But I am going to clean this area up some today. And in this brown box, I try to keep very organized, but you know, you get in a hurry, it's raining, whatever, and it's not necessarily. And I kind of want to clean some of this up too, although it's just empty garbage cans, which are flipped upside down. There's nothing out here that can hurt them, but I just want to kind of keep things organized. In here, this is my chicken poop. Oh, it's empty. I guess I need to fill it with chicken poop. And these bags are actually chicken poop that I'm going to bring to a friend today. They have a garden and they like to use it, so whatever. So here is, they're going crazy, they want out. Here's my little brown box with all my fun stuff in it. And I thought today I would show you all the cool stuff in here. This is actually a pool side, whatever. So I do keep the empty bags that the food comes in. Obviously I put poop in it. So I have all my buckets in here. We keep all our food in here. The only thing we don't keep in here is our first aid supplies. So I am going to clean all this stuff out today. There's just all kinds of gook in there. I mean, as far as like when I empty it, when I get feed and stuff, it goes all over the place. So I'm gonna let the girls out. I'm gonna let them out here with me while I clean. So I've had this thing for like almost 4 years now. As you can see, Miss Baby here. Anyway, the girls like to jump up in here, so I do have this up here. It's supposed to stay up on its own, but sometimes it will fall, and I don't want one of my girls decapitated or hurt, so yeah. So I'm gonna try to set this up. I don't know where the tripod is. I don't know. Mr. Graybeard probably knows where it is, but I don't. But what you really want to see is the girls. Hi, babies. You going to help me clean today? Hi, Woo-Woo. Listen to this. Hey, what are we yelling for? Do we even know? Goodness, she's loud. Okay, so we have our worms, of course. So I'm just going to pull all this stuff out, and we'll go from there. To open everything. Oops, sorry, baby. All right, you gotta get out of my way, man. I'm working here. This is why it takes so long for me to get anything done. She is always under my feet and wants love. Permethrin, best thing that has ever been invented. This is one of the only things I don't buy at my local feed store. Pet Pasture. These are the only ones my girls really like. They're full. They're not all chopped up and gross. They actually help reduce food and everything in landfill. What they do. Hi, babies. Excuse me. Why are you always yelling? gross in here, girls. Look at all these bugs. Here. Yep. Did you get them all? Anyone want to go in? Yeah? Excuse me. Baby, baby, baby. Look, you're missing them. Y'all, in case you don't see what I'm shaking out, it's bugs. Palmetto bugs, I don't know what they are, but beetles, they're all up in the feed. The old bags, watch. Extra protein. Right, babies? Ow! Look, Marin. But there's a possibility. So anyway, see all the stuff that was surprisingly in there. These are all old bags. I might get rid of some of them. It's just nice to line stuff with them, and they come in very handy, and they're free. If it's free, it's for me, right? So I'm getting ready to put all the feed in our food grade buckets. We use Nutrena NatureWise Layer Crumble. My girls do not like pellets. We have black oil sunflower seeds, which our feed store will break down 5, 10, whatever, or you can buy a whole bag. I do not have the storage for a whole bag. I have in the past, and it lasts forever. This is all my storage, so I just don't have the storage I need. And then this is what I use for scratch in the morning. It's Harvest Blend by Nutrena. This stuff is amazing. I use it for scratch, but it's actually a complete food. It's amazing, and they love it. And as you can see, my theme, I use all NatureWise Nutrena products for feed. So I'm going to continue to clean, and I hope I didn't miss all the footage of on the ground, because there's probably some good stuff. Oh, baby found something. Who knows? All right, everyone, back to cleaning. Here's my Ben O junk. I'm going to have to get rid of some of that. Camera that doesn't work anymore, that I kept for who knows why. First Saturday Lime, which I need to use the rest of it. I'll probably put it in the coop because I have switched Sweet PDZ. My shoes that I totally forgot about. Those green scoops are amazing, and they come in the First Saturday Lime. I've kept every one of them. Spray bottle. I put permethrin in there to spray the inside of the coop. I spray the walls and everything, so we don't get nasty critters. And I love this stuff. This is food grade Grandpa's Diatomaceous Earth. I sprinkle this in their food, and none of mine have ever had any kind of parasites or anything, so it's amazing. So I am going to put the buckets back in, fill them, and then clean the waters. The coop will probably wait. I usually do that on Sunday, because guarantee after I do all this, I'm not going to have the energy. Chicken keeping's a lot of work, but it's definitely worth it. having fun out here? Yeah? Okay. Done with my camera? How you feeling, Miss Eva? You need to definitely be a better fixer. Do I need to bring you in and make you your own? I just don't want to touch you, sweet girl. Hi, Polly. Are you watching my camera? Okay. Hope you enjoyed the girls. They were just chilling. Y'all, it is so much cooler in the run than it is out there. These stands are amazing. I don't even know how much they were, but I might try to find them and link them just in case. I know some of you are going into the winter. We're in Florida. I mean, it gets cooler. We get a couple days of winter, but someone's trying to lay here because the other ones, I say full, but not really. There's 2 of them in out of 5 nesting boxes. So I wanted to show you the Harvest Blend, what I mean when I say I give them this to scratch. Stuff's amazing. It's just not all compressed. It's just each individual feed. And they will not eat it in the bucket. They will pick through it. But if every morning, I trail it all the way down the run, just a cup. My Slurpee cup right there, I use that, and they absolutely love it, and there's never any left. But if I put it in these buckets, they pick it out. No, it doesn't make sense, but that's what we do. So I did not vacuum it out. I should have, but I did. But it looks better already in here. So this one has what's left of my layer crumble. This is the Harvest Blend, but the Harvest Blend normally goes in the bucket with the black top. That's how I know the difference. But because these feeders were low, I was able to put more in there, and this bucket's full, so I'm good. I start to freak out when I don't have any extra, because you never know. We live in Florida. Now it's hurricane season, and you never know what's going to be open or what you're going to need or when you just need to up and leave. So the cleaning will continue. Okay, everyone, I know it doesn't look like it, but I'm actually making progress. So look how neat all these are, the feed buckets. They're all full, which is nice. These are what the fleas from, I don't remember where, but anyway. But I think I'm going to get a couple more food grade buckets because it holds more, and then I can buy more. So now to tackle this mess and see what I can get rid of and what I can keep. Stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I have this plastic bin in here because sometimes when the water rises, if there's a lot of rain, it will get in here. Baby. So this is all nice and neat now. I'm gonna put this in here and my bags, because I always use these, I keep them. And then I'm gonna fold these up, put them back in, and I am done. Okay, I'm done. I'm wore out. It really wasn't that short. It looks like it only took a few minutes, but sheesh. All right, girls, now to get them back in. Come on, girls, time to go back in. Come on. Come on, babies. All right, everyone, so I hope you enjoyed the glamorous life of a chicken tender. Come on, girls, I'm sorry. You have plenty of spaces in there to dirt bathe. Mommy's got to go in. And this chicken goodness. Baby, go. Come on, Americana. It's time to go in. Come on. Come on. All right, everyone. I'm going to get them in and go relax and get some water. Hope y'all have a great Saturday. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is hot in Florida. Have a great one, everyone.